The first tomato plant I ever grew was far from perfect. Leaves curl up, and the soil had dried up several times. But in all honesty, I did not believe it would survive. One morning, there it was, a green tomato hanging from the vine. That moment has forever changed my perspective on gardening. If you have ever wanted to grow your own tomatoes at home but didn't know where to start, this guide is for you. Growing tomatoes is more than gardening. It is patient, care, and watching a living thing thrive because of your work. Step 1. Selecting and germinating tomato seeds. It all starts with a seed, so select the type most suitable for you. Cherry tomatoes work very well for more junior, growing into smaller space. Larger varieties such as beef sticks really need space and support. To germinate, sprinkle seeds a quarter-inch deep in seed-starting soil. Make the soil moist but not wet. Place that container in a warm place with lots of light. After 5 to 10 days, tiny green shoots will push through soil. You totally won. This stage is most valuable for patience. Don't waste those moments hurrying it. Truly, tomatoes grow optimally with strong rooting at the beginning. Step 2. Caring for seedlings. Once your seedlings sprout, light becomes critical. Put them near a sunny window or under grow lights for at least 6 to 8 hours in a day. Water gently and only when the topsoil becomes dry. As the seedlings grow taller, consider rotating the pots so that they don't lean towards the light. These little habits aid in producing strong, upright plants. As the plants develop their second true leaves, they prepare way for the big step ahead of them. Step 3. Transplanting the right way. Transplanting, of course, is the moment all green thumbs panic. And in truth, tomatoes are way more rugged than it seems. Move to a larger pot or out to a garden once seedlings are between 6 to 8 inches tall. Here is the secret of the expert gardener. Bury the stem deeper than you think. Tomato plants form roots all along buried stems, thus making the plant stronger and healthier. Choose somewhere where the sun is able to shine at least 6 to 8 hours each day, and ensure the air is circulating through and around the plants to help in disease prevention. Step 4. Watering and nutrition. Tomatoes thrives on consistency. Water deeply but at longer intervals, so the soil remains moist but not their leaves. Uneven watering may cause crack and blossom and rot. Feed your plants every few weeks using a balanced fertilizer or compost. When flowers emerge, switch to a fertilizer higher in potassium to help with fruits development. This is the stage where your plant really shoots up, and at this time, the care shows for results. Step 5. Pruning and supporting tomato plants. Pruning will channel the energy of the plant predominantly into fruit production. Shoots arising from the main stem of the plant, shoots called suckers, have to be removed. Pruning does not have to be overdone. Most important to keep it clean and well ventilated. Support is equally important. Have stakes, cages, or trellis to keep the plants upright. This can help prevent disease, improve air circulation, and generally make harvesting easier. Step 6. Flowering, fruiting, and harvesting. You're in the final stretch now. From seed germination to harvesting usually takes anywhere between 60 and 80 days depending on variety. Harvest tomatoes when they are fully colored and a bit soft to touch. Twist gently or use garden scissors so as not to damage the plant. And trust me, the first bite of a homegrown tomato tastes better than anything you ever bought in a store. Final thoughts. Growing tomatoes isn't just about a gardening project. It's the journey from the tiny seed to a table full of flavor. And with each step learning a bit more, there will be mistakes, and that's part of the story and of the reward. If you like this content, please help to subscribe and want to learn more about gardening tips. Your support helps us to grow, just like the tomato plants, and ensure you are subscribed for the next video.